In this video, I will guide you through a powerful technique that can help you to win the lottery. So sit back, relax, and let's begin the journey towards your lottery win. You have the power to manifest anything you want in your life. You are capable of manifesting winning to lottery, and that's exactly what we are going to do. Imagine if you were already rich, if you already had all that money that you want to have, how would that make you feel? Would you feel excited, inspired? Would you feel rich? I think that you already know that, because otherwise you would not want to manifest that in your life. So I just want you to focus on the feelings, with all those feelings that arise when you are imagining that you have already won the lottery. Where in your body can feel that you have already won the lottery? Just focus on that feelings and enjoy it. Because let me tell you something, whatever you focus on in your life, you create more of. And when you use your imagination to focus on something completely new, and you do that enough, it's going to start appearing in your physical reality. It might sound crazy, but it's true. If you don't believe me, you need to try it for yourself, and you will see whatever you imagine in your head to be true right now is going to shape your physical reality to match that image in your imagination. So that's why I want to imagine that you have already won the lottery, because that might as well be true. Like, why not? Like, you can win the lottery and you did it. It's no big deal. You would not want it if you knew that it's not possible. You want it because you know that it's possible for you have it, and that's why you are here. And the reason I want you to focus on those feelings is that feelings are vibrations, and whatever you are going to manifest more of. The universe is going to reflect back to you who you are being within. And who are you? Are being that version of you, that one who has already won the lottery. That's who you are now. And take a moment to focus on how knowing that makes you feel within. Wow, I bet it feels amazing. It feels exciting, inspiring, just amazing. You feel rich, carefree, and happy. This is who you are now. You have won to lottery like it's already done. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to go anywhere. You just get to enjoy these amazing feelings within. You can even put your hands on your heart or on your stomach to amplify that powerful feeling, because whatever you feel to be true becomes true in your world. You create your reality. You are the master manifester. You are amazing. You can do anything you want. Whatever you feel, you already are. The physical world is going to start reflecting that truth to you. You don't need to know how, where, what, or anything. You just need to know who you are within. Who you want to be is something that you already are within. If you didn't know what it feels like to manifest putting to lottery, or if you don't know what it feels like to be rich, why would you even want that in the first place? Now, I don't want you to worry about anything. I don't want you to worry about any numbers or money or anything at all. Not now and not ever. I want you to do is to know it within. You are rich, and if winning the lottery is something you desire, then you have already are a lottery winner. Like, that's it. If that's what you want, you just need to claim that within. And if you do correctly, it's gonna happen for you. If you truly claim it within, like, anything can happen for you, but you need to do the inner work, which you are already doing here with me today. And just claim who you want to be. Claim it as if you already are that person, and just enjoy it. Enjoy being rich because you know what it feels like to be rich. Enjoy the knowing that you have won the lottery. You know it in your body, you feel it, and feelings are vibrations. Your feelings are going to be reflected back to you out there. When you claim to be someone or something, it's going to provoke a very specific frequency or a feeling within you. And that's something I want you to focus on, because the more you feel something, the stronger it becomes. And then for sure, it's going to be reflected back to you out there, and it's an automatic process. You just need to trust that the feelings you feel right now within you is right. It's legit. You are supposed to be feeling this way. You are supposed to enjoy this feeling. You are supposed to enjoy your life and do wonderful things. This great feeling within is what you are truly looking for. It's within you. You already know that you have it, and you have already found it within you, and it's the most important thing. Now listen these powerful affirmations every day to change your mindset about lottery jackpot win. I am abundant. Today I welcome money into my life. Today I am hyper aware of money making opportunities. I am open and ready to receive new streams of income. Today I activate my wealth potential. Today I see evidence of abundance all around me. I am a prosperity magnet. My money guidance reveals countless profitable ideas. Today I act on my inspired ideas. Let's repeat all of this one more time. I am abundant. Today I welcome money into my life. Today I am hyper aware of money making opportunities. I am open and ready to receive new streams of income. Today I activate my wealth potential. I am abundance personified. Today I see evidence of abundance all around me. I am a prosperity magnet. My inner guidance reveals countless profitable ideas. Today I act on my inspired ideas. I am abundant. Remember, you have to look for it and stay positive. Focus on the money you want, not the lack of it. Anyone can win the lottery. You just need a lot of confidence that you are going to do it. But above all, have a lot of faith in God, and you will see how the chances of winning will increase immediately. Since He can do everything and faith moves mountains. Next, you will find a powerful prayer to win the lottery. Do it with great faith and conviction, and you will see how powerful and effective it is. Father, your wisdom is prosperous to me. You have the power to do anything. I am merely your loyal and faithful servant. Please give based on how you estimate my ability. I am ready to take care of them. Grow your wealth. Allow me to win the lottery, to prove that I have strong faith in you, and I have always tried to be your loyal servant. Thank you for all the generosity you have already shown me. The harvest of your wisdom is better than any harvest of money or material things. To know you and to be known by you is my most coveted prize. With you, Father, I enjoy the length of days worth living. I enjoy riches and honor. I choose the way of your wisdom, and I enjoy the abundant life that you have called me to live. My heart and soul feel your generosity as I am filled with your grace, kindness, and love. I dedicate myself to working hard to make you proud. I strive to help others and invest time and energy without expecting the reward. If you were kind enough to share a lottery jackpot with me, I would be able to help more people. I would like to give a better life to my family and me. I thank you for the wisdom that you have given me to be blessing to others. When good is due to someone and you have put the blessings in my hand, I will not hold it for myself. I am blessed to be blessing. I purpose in my heart to gain a reputation as a generous and honest person. I will not withhold more than what is right. I give and it is given unto me. Good measure pressed down, shaken together and running over. I choose to be a cheerful giver and I rejoice in the abundance of my harvest. Father, I know that I seek the good of others. I shall procure favor. People will go out for their way to bless me because of the anointing you have placed in my life. I know that riches are a frugal form of security. I do not trust in them or set my heart on them. My trust is only you. In you I find steadfast security and flourish as a well-nourished branch of the vine. All of my desires are for good things. I give freely without restraint and yet gain even more. My generosity causes a tremendous abundance of good things to pour forth into my life. Now I want to share you another affirmations for lottery winning. I am a lottery winner. I am open to winning the lottery. I believe that I will win the lottery. The universe wants me to win the lottery. Luck is on my side and I will win the lottery today, this week or soon. Money comes to me easily and in great abundance, including through winning lotteries. Manifest money through lotteries. My energy vibrations are high and in perfect harmony with winning the lottery jackpot. Divine guidance leads to me win lotteries time and again. Every day in every way, I am getting better and better at winning lotteries. Big in the lottery comes true now. Winning the lottery is just a matter of my time for me. I affirm my desire to win big and moderate the sooner it happens. My powerful subconscious mind helps me manifest wins in all types of lottery. My affirmations are working, including an abundance of money through lottery wins. I attract wealth and success through the law of attraction, including my winning the lottery. Every day, I come one step closer to winning a huge lottery jackpot. This week or sooner will be the day when I finally win the lottery. My mind is focused on winning the lottery and it will happen soon. I am confident that I will win. I have all qualities required to win the lottery and I will use them to my advantage. My attitude is positive and optimistic, which help me to win the lottery. I know that anything is possible, including winning the lottery. I am grateful for the lottery wins that I have already had, and more are on their way. So I wholeheartedly believe that I will win the lottery soon. The more thankful I am for winning the lottery, the sooner it will happen, and it will happen in perfect timing. I release all doubts and disbelief about winning the lottery, and I know that it is possible for me, foreign to receiving lottery wins of all sizes, even the jackpot. I give myself permission to win the lottery, and it happens easily and effortlessly. Winning the lottery is natural and normal for me, and it happens frequently. My mind is focused on winning the lottery, and I attract wins easily. The universe provides for me in many ways, including through lottery wins. I am blessed with good fortune in winning the lottery as part of that. I receive lots of love, support, and abundance, which includes money, even through lottery wins. I am confident and self-assured that I will win the lottery soon. I create my own luck by staying positive and believing in myself. I know that winning the lottery is possible for me, and I claim my jackpot now. My lottery wins are symbol of my success, and I claim them now. Winning the lottery is just one manifestation of my many abundance in life. Lottery winnings are divinely guided, and I claim them now. My higher power provides me in many ways, including through lottery wins. My mind is filled with empowering thoughts about winning the lottery, which manifest into reality. My affirmations are working, and I claim my lottery winnings now. The power of manifestation brings me lottery win, which I claim now. The more often I visualizing winning the lottery, the sooner it manifests. I am a magnet for money, including through lottery wins. I am surrounded by an abundance of wealth, including through lottery wins. My mind is focused on attracting wealth and success, which includes winning the lottery. The more I focus on being a winner, the more lottery wins I attract. Winning the lottery is part of my success story, and it happens now. The law of attraction works in my favor, and I claim my lottery winnings now. The more I think about winning the lottery, the sooner it manifests. The lottery is part of my divine destiny. My higher power wants me to be happy and prosperous, which includes winning the lottery. I am grateful for the lottery wins that I have already had. Good luck comes to those who believe in themselves, so I wholeheartedly believe that I will win the lottery soon. The more thankful I am for winning the lottery, the sooner it happens. I am ready and willing to win the lottery, and it will happen in perfect timing. I give myself permission to win the lottery, and it happens easily and effortlessly. The lottery is natural and normal for me, and it happens frequently. My mind is focused on winning the lottery, and I attract wins easily. The universe provides for me in many ways, including through lottery wins. With regular use, these powerful lottery winning affirmations will help you to visualize yourself as a winner. So why not try them out today and see what they can do for you? You just might end up being one of those lucky people who hit it big. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a good day.